and welcome to all of you in this new video. Today I am going to explain about Wells Fargo text scam. Friends, Wells Fargo text scam is one of the ongoing and latest news in the United States. And might be you are familiar with this term, but let's discuss about phishing emails and text scams and how to detect and report suspicious email and text messages that appear to be from Wells Fargo. So let's get started. So guys, do you know what is phishing? So you should know that phishing is the fraudulent attempt to obtain sensitive information such as usernames, passwords and account details, typically through an email or text message. Guys, this is the section where you can read about phishing and scam. If you get a text message from a number you don't recognize claiming to be Wells Fargo, the text of the message probably reads something like this, guys. It will be important message from Wells Fargo. Please update your personal information to avoid account locking. So guys, in short, you'll receive a text message with a link and you are supposed to click that link so you can go to the page that will allow you to update your personal info and avoid your account being logged. So you should stay away from such type of scam alerts and scam messages. And here is the column where you can read how to report phishing. So if you are responded, then if you clicked on a link, opened an attachment or provided personal or account information, then you can call at 1-866-867-5568, and if you didn't respond, then forward the suspicious email or send an email with a text message copy to reportphish@wellsfargo.com and delete it. You will receive an automated response. Guys, here are some common warning signs and how we may contact you. So phishing scams can be hard to spot, but there are some warning signs. First is suspicious sender, unusual language, unexpected request. We may contact you. So guys, for your security, Wells Fargo may contact you by email, text or phone regarding your card or account activity. And when they'll contact you, they'll not ask for your card, PIN, access code or online banking password. So if you are uncomfortable about a request for information, do not respond and instead call the number on the back of your debit or credit card to verify the request. Now guys, the question comes, how to spot a scam? So there are several ways through which you can spot a scam like fits the phishing profile. Guys, you can host your and your client site on a VPS, which is virtual private server. It will help you to spot a scam. And never provide any personal information, otherwise the phishing scam will access your bank account. And you should know that the official Wells Fargo site is www.wellsfargo.com and the scammers are using h-p.online-wells.text.txt-5028.com. So it is clear that these scammers are using scam web domain. And guys, if your personal and business sites are encrypted with verified certificates, then there is no need to worry. You can go ahead. And guys, these scammers are pretending to be Wells Fargo. These people are just trying to take your money. So you should be aware from such type of scammers and fraudulent websites or text messages. Here you will get two answers. What the phishing look like? Here you can read for your knowledge, and what does smishing look like? So you can read these answers for your knowledge and convenience. And if you want to read about Wells Fargo, then simply click this about Wells Fargo section. You'll get the entire information related to this website. And if you want to read the privacy, cookie, security and legal policy, then just simply click this third option. You will get the entire information related to this. And guys, all a scammer needs to do is have a directory of random numbers to SMS, and they can easily work their way through the list, hoping someone will take the bait. So you should be aware, never click a link which looks like suspicious, and stay away from such type of scam messages. And if you have ever scammed, then you can check our links in the description area. Do comment your thought about this video, guys, because we read all your comments over every video. So keep commenting. Please like this video, and if you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe our channel today. Be informed, be safe, and I'll get back to you with another scam alert. So thanks for watching the video, guys. Have a good day.